So into another tutorial, we talk a little bit more about the animations of creating an actual video of fruits talking with the actual artificial intelligence. With I think it's actually working really fast. So I'm going to be doing this totally for free. And this actual trend actually works really fast, but you must understand that sometimes it might be asking you to get, let's say for example, more videos or animations more than 15 seconds long, 30 seconds long. It might be asking you for an active subscription. So still, the free mode actually does really great stuff. So to generate the perfect character face is that we do the actual character. The biggest mistakes beginners make using a basic photo of a regular application, or Apple in this case, is that the AI animation tools need clear, stylized facial features to grab onto it. So you want to head over for a free image generator and use that in order to continue. So what I'm going to be doing here, if you want to generate your own image, or still if you want, for example, the AI to do the process for you, we don't have to focus a lot into that. So the first thing I'm going to be doing here is to focus only for the Meta AI. Meta AI can be helping you to generate this kind of videos totally for free. You don't have to pay absolutely for anything, but what is going to be really important is to focus into the actual prompts. So inside my prompts, what I'm going to be focusing on is in the actual process of generating that here into Meta.ai. Inside here, I'm going to go for the element that says create. Inside here, what I'm going to be doing here is to focus into what can I do for you, asked Meta AI. Then you want to select the element that says create an actual video. Now inside here, what you want to do is to tell exactly what you're actually aiming for. Let's say for example, a banana trying to jump from a kitchen table into a dog's bowl, food bowl, and in the background there are more let's say fruits are worried about the situation. So basically here, what I entered is a character, an action, and a background. Once I have these three elements, I can now use those to generate an actual video with the Meta AI. The more concise and specific that you are, the more chances that your video will be the actual, let's say, the result that you are looking for. Basically, it's going to be giving you 4 different images. With this specific 4 different images, what you want to do is to select the one that you like the most, for example this one. And inside this image, what you can do is to restyle this, edit the image, or even animate more. If you like what you're seeing in here, then go for the element that says animate. And into the animation, let's say that the Meta AI is going to try to understand what's actually happening with the image, so that frame by frame Meta, let's say, figures what's going to happen next. So automatically it's going to be giving you the actual animation. You can give an actual animation prompt if you wanted to. To give the animation prompt, you want to focus directly inside this element that says animation prompt. So as you can see, what happens here is a little bit weird. So what you wanted to do is to, let's say, animate. Don't only say animate. Let's say the banana falls into the dog bowl full of dog food. Suddenly the food spreads all over the kitchen. Everybody in the background is amazed. I use this prompt to make the actual animation. And lastly, you wanted to take in mind that since this is totally for free, sometimes it usually doesn't give you like an exact video of what you're actually aiming for. If this happens, what you can do is to try it out with another image and try to make the animation prompt before making that info, right? So as you can see, it looks a little bit more great but as you can see, there's water inside this actual bowl, which I think is going to be a little bit weird, and the dog actually makes an actual reaction that I don't like a lot. So the more that you focus into your prompt, the more that you go to getting the greatest video ever. Then when you finish with this element, you can go directly into the upper side that says download. When you download out your image, you are now actually good to go. So the last thing to do is to make some actual recording of that. So to drive into the recording, the face animations, you can bring it all together. You can upload a tag character images. You can go and record your own voice into the voice audio track and just generate it. What I can totally suggest you is that if you're going to be uploading this into TikTok, for example, you can do this directly inside TikTok and not into somewhere else, because it's going to be much more faster to add in sound effects, background music, trend music from TikTok, and your own vocals in order to continue. And your video is going to be actually going to be ready to download. So the final short for optimization is to import that video inside that. You can go for some contrast. If you wanted to leave it as it is, you're actually good to go. If you don't, you can use even CapCut. CapCut is going to be helping you to add more AI solutions, but this is a paid plan that you must of course pay in order for continuing. In my case, I'm going to stick around with the free version. Actually, I think this one actually works for me. And so far we actually made really great animations with the Meta AI really fast. So I'm gonna stick around with the Meta free AI and upload it just like this directly into my socials. So if you have any questions, guys, you can let me know in the comments below. Have lots of fun directly focusing on that. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully we can see you next time.